Finding minimum length and width for a given area. To run this activity, visit jetpackmath.com and enter activity ID M0217. If a rectangle has an area of 132 square inches, what is the length and width for the least perimeter? And if we look at the answers, we can kind of tell what the length and width would be. We know 12 times 11 is 132, so that's one possible answer. But 12 times 9, 11 times 11, and 13 times 11 all don't equal 132. So we know the answer must be 12 times 11. If a garden has an area of 25 square inches, what is the length and width for the least perimeter? So let's find the possible answers first. And with an area of 25 square inches, a possible answer is the first one, because 25 times 1 is 25. We can rule out number 2 because 15 times 10 is much larger than 25. 5 times 5, that's a possible answer because 5 times 5 is 25 square inches. And 12 times 5 is 60, so that's not an answer. So we're looking for which one of these two answers. It says, what is the length and width for the least perimeter? So what's going to have a smaller perimeter? 25 times 1 or 5 times 5? And you can draw it out if you want to, but the longer or higher image is going to have a larger perimeter, which would be the 25 is much larger than the 5 in inches. So the least perimeter would be 5 times 5 inches.